Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Adda YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do important current affairs MCQs from 9th January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. Please watch till the end. So coming to today's first question, the Aadhaar mascot Uday was launched by which organization? Option B, that is Unique Identification Authority of India. What is the main purpose of Aadhaar mascot Uday? Option B, that is to simplify Aadhaar related communication. Who won the first prize in Aadhaar mascot design competition? Option C, Arun Gokul. Unique Identification Authority of India chairman who unveiled the Aadhaar mascot is? Option A, Neelkant Mishra. Mission Karmayogi is implemented under which ministry? Option D, that is Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Mission Karmayogi focuses on shift from? Option C, that is rule-based to role-based governance. Karmayogi Classroom is an initiative related to? Option B, that is AI-based civil servant training. AI Sarthi and AI Tutor are part of which platform? Option C, I Got Karmayogi, that is Integrated Government Online Training. Project Veergada is a joint initiative of which ministries? Option A, Defense and Education. Veergada 5.0 witnessed participation of approximately how many crores? Option D, 1.92 crores. Veergada was initiated in which year? Option C, 2021. Veergada 5.0 was launched on? Option B, 8th September 2025. Cash prize for each Veergada national winner is? Option C, 10,000 rupees. Swami Fund was launched in which year? Option A, 2019. Swami stands for? Option A, that is special window for affordable and mid-income housing. Swami Fund comes under which ministry? Option B, Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance. IRIDA received excellent MOU rating for how many consecutive years? Option C, 5 consecutive years. IRIDA MOU score for financial year 2024 to 25 was Option D 96.42. Bharti Startup Challenge is associated with Option A Agri and Food Export Startups. Selected Bharti startups will get exposure at Option B Gulf Food Dubai and Biofac Germany. District-led textiles transformation initiative belongs to which ministry? Option B Ministry of Textiles. District-led textile transformation aims to transform how many districts into global export champions? Option C 100. Pankudi portal was launched by which ministry? Option B Ministry of Women and Child Development. Pankudi mainly facilitates Option D CSR and partnerships. Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat campaign was launched in Option C 2024. Target year to make India child marriage free is Option C 2030. India's first child marriage free district is Option B Balod. Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat aligns with which sustainable development goal? Option A Sustainable Development Goal 5.3. Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2026 will be held at Option D Bharat Mandapam. Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2026 dates are Option B 8th to 12th January. So that's it for today, everyone. If you like this and find informative, please subscribe my channel. I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.